All right, hey girl, hey girl. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. Girl, welcome to How to Dress Cowgirl Chic Outfit Inspiration.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
So before we get into how to dress cowgirl chic, let's make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We need the engagement so we can stay in the algorithm. Make sure you like the video, leave me a comment. Most importantly, share. Sharing means caring. Now, girl, let's get into this. Now, the reason I'm bringing this video to you today is because of this young lady right here. She left a comment under one of my other videos asking me to show some cowgirl inspiration, but she asked, and honey, I have been putting this video together for quite some time and getting these looks together. So what I realized is you can really wear anything. Throw a pair of cowboy boots on with her and a cowboy hat, and honey, you have your cowgirl looks. I'm telling you, look at me. With this first look, and let me say this. I will link what I can find between being linked in my LTK and being linked in the description box. So I just say, check the description box if you see anything that you like, and whatever, whatever I can find, I will link. Now back to this. I just took these capri leggings, this white top, put them together, put these boots on, honey, threw this hat on, and bam, I got cowgirl chic. It's as simple as that. I don't own an expensive pair of boots. I have a pair in mind that I want to purchase, but these that I'm wearing today, I bought from Fashion Nova. I am going to have these boots on with each look. So I'm going to have my hat on with every look. It's all about you. It's all about your style, what you wear, your confidence, because whatever you wear, you have to own it. You make the outfit don't make you. Remember that. But now with this look, to top it off and to finish it off, Old Faithful denim bag. Because honey, what is a cowgirl look without a little denim? So this is the look, honey.
Cowboys and cowgirls are feeling the groove, sipping on moonshine.
I told you, you can put anything on and put a pair of boots and put your hat on, and honey, you have cowgirl chic. Look at this. I have on a regular pair of jorts. I have on a graphic tee that I cut up, and it is the one and only Diana Ross. Got it from Fashion Nova. I cut a pair of jeans that were featured in my Best Jeans for Curvy Girls try-on haul. I cut those into some jorts. Tied her up on the side here, gave her a little razzle dazzle, and look, cowgirl chic. I'm telling you, whatever you find, whatever you want to wear, whatever fits you good, whatever you feel good in, honey, get you a pair of boots, get you a hat. Did I tell y'all this hat came from Fashion Nova? She was also featured in a try-on haul, and I think she's still available. So make sure you check the description box. I will link it if she's available. Oh, and let me top her off. And this is my bag. And no, these days, your bag does not have to match your shoes. Most of the time, I don't want to be matchy-matchy. So this is the bag I will wear. Super cute, huh? I actually like these looks. Y'all gonna see these looks again, because honey, I love them. They are cute, cute, cute.
I like them girls and them cowgirls.
Do y'all believe me now? You could put what you want on with your boots and your hat, and you are cowgirl chic. This is just a dress that I bought from Walmart. When I start putting the looks together for this, it just came to me. If you saw my video about wearing the outfits but wearing them differently with a little class, being 50, this is what I mean. For me, this is with a little bit more class because they are short shorts. I like the short shorts. I just don't have the legs for the short shorts. But this dress camouflage everything that I don't like. So I would definitely wear this. Rodeo, I would definitely wear this outfit. But let me tell you something. I know I couldn't wear these boots to the rodeo because just doing this try-on haul, they hurting the bottom of my feet. But Sometimes, you know, beauty is pain and you kind of suffer through it, but I don't know. Because it has the little heel on it. But anyway, I'm going off into something else. But this dress is linked in my LTK. So make sure you check the description box. Now, let me tell you something. You see she's sheer, right? But she does have a little black cami up underneath. Let me show, well, let me pull her out first. So y'all don't see all that I'm working with. My cottage cheese and cellulite. You see this? Y'all gonna have to see a little bit of it right now. But this is actually how it comes. She's a dress, but she's a shirt for me. Because even this little black cami up underneath, you know, yeah, it covers my shorts, but I'd rather tuck it into my shorts where you could see the shorts, but you don't see everything. You know what I mean? But I had her tucked in my shorts all the way around so that you could see the actual shorts. And that's how I would wear her. Oh, let me top her off. And this is my bag. I told y'all I don't have to be matchy. I love this burgundy bag because it has like shades of pink in here. So this is the look.
I like them girls in them daisy dukes. I like them girls.
And another one. Now y'all, I know this look don't really go with the boots. I mean, the top and the shorts match, but the boots. But you know what? You do what you want when you're popping. Because guess what? I make the outfit. The outfit don't make me. So both of these pieces are from Fashion Nova. And y'all see, I thought this was perfect because this mesh bodysuit, she's like a cow print. Can y'all see? So I thought it was perfect. But y'all know, I done told y'all about my legs. I don't have the smooth legs. But honey, I will rock this look. I don't know if maybe I would put like some fishnets up under her. I don't know. And I would definitely have to have a different pair of boots because these boots don't go. But for the sake of the video, I put the boots on. I told y'all these boots are going to be with every look. I did feature these shorts in another try-on haul from Fashion Nova. But I'm telling you, whatever you desire and whatever you come up with, whatever look you want to go with, put your boots and put your hat on. And you have Cowgirl Chic. I always thought I was a city girl, but since Queen Bee came out with Cowboy Carter, and I'm not gonna lie, that's when I kind of jumped on that train of being a cowgirl. Well, the cowgirl looks, not being a cowgirl. But anyway, this is the look, and I would top her off with this. This is the bag I would pair her with. I told y'all I'm not a matchy girl. So this is the look, honey.
And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you.
And we have made it to the last look of the day. This super cute denim dress. This is a Walmart exclusive and she is linked in my LTK. I just wore this dress to church with sandals. This is what I mean when I say you can wear whatever you want. Once you put your boots and your hat on, she's cowgirl chic. Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? I need y'all to understand what I'm saying. Pair whatever you have in your closet. A super cute look. Put your pieces together. Get you a pair of cowboy boots. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg for them. I mean, now if you want to, if you're into that and you want to invest in a really good pair, you can very well do so. Wherever you can get more bang for your buck, go ahead and do that. And then you have Cowgirl Chic. Super cute look. And look at here. She has pockets. Super cute. Now let's top her off. Now, let me just show you. I didn't know which look I wanted to show y'all. I love the pop of color with the Kelly green, but then y'all know I love leopard. Both of them are super cute. I feel like the leopard is like matchy, you know, with the brown and all, even though it has the black in it. She still looks more matchy, right? Let me step back a little bit more. Matchy, right? But I love this pop of color. This is more me, the pop of color. But super cute, huh? But let's just go with the pop of green. I didn't know which one, but once I got on camera, let's go with the pop of green. And this is the look.
Bucking.
video was actually fun. I enjoyed this. I enjoyed putting the looks together, just executing every cowgirl chic look that I consider cowgirl chic. I love it. And girl, if you have made it to this portion of the video, girl, you made it to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I genuinely say thank you to each one of you. I thank you for your support. All 12,000 of you. That's crazy, 12,000 subscribers. But y'all, we trying to make it to 15K. So don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment. You know what? Let's put some cowboy emojis in the comments so that I know that you made it to this portion of the video. And honey, don't forget to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel. Share the video because sharing means caring. And I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.